Good morning. It is beautiful out today. If you're into gray skies and grossness, that's what I think. I'm into gray skies and grossness. Just kidding. So let's talk about the markets now. So, yesterday we got a big move. We made it all the way past our last top in the S&P before we essentially just gave it away. So, we basically failed again here. So now the question is, and there's some reasons, right? We still have the Greek elections this weekend that are scaring people. We've got, we've got, no one's really certain about what's going to happen in the European economy. I mean, 70 billion in QE is a lot of QE. But that being said, they did really pop the vol balloon a little bit, and that it went from, a 2-day drop from basically as high as 21 to down to 17. Just an incredibly quick move, and with that, they really put a beat down on volatility as well. Kind of across the market, interesting day. Nothing really special. I would imagine we're going to be slow. We'll probably end up creeping higher. I just get the feeling we're going to creep a little higher, maybe toward unched. But the vol should stay around 17. There's not a lot of good reasons to sell into it with, again, the Greek stuff coming up this weekend. McDonald's had earnings this morning, and despite the earnings being kind of cruddy, it's up a little bit. And then UPS is getting smoked because their earnings stink. Any thoughts on my VIX VXV indicator? Yeah, if I get one more day, so I will go long. I will be relatively comfortable going long as an indicator on Monday. Although when those crossed, technically on Friday, technically on Friday when those crossed back over, if you'd have gone long, you'd have done great. So it continues to work pretty effectively, which is interesting. Other stocks that are kind of in the news, oil is down a little bit today, so a little bit of weakness in ExxonMobil, which was up huge yesterday. We actually had a shot at making some money on our little front spready trade, and then some of the oil, but they're giving a bit of that away today, unfortunately. All right, folks, on that note, I will talk to you soon. If you have questions, you can email me, marketoptionspit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01.